K Rend LW1 is a lightweight cement-based and polymer-modified self-coloured render which can be applied directly onto polystyrene insulation to achieve a variety of finishes. K Rend LW1 may be applied by machine or by hand. Before applying Lightweight 1 render, make sure you have the appropriate tools ready to use, including an eye section and K Rend green mesh. Prepare the building, ensuring that the background is free of all surface contamination, dust and loose aggregate. Cover and protect window glass, sills and soffits using frame seal beads, plastic coverings for windows, and fixed plastic over the windowsill and overhangs using tape. Position and attach beading to corner and window edges. K Rend HP12 is used as a preparation base coat for existing smooth surfaces. Mix HP12 to the desired consistency. Apply the HP12 to a 3mm thickness over the suitable areas such as concrete lintels or precast concrete. Scratch or stipple the surface. Allow at least one day to cure and set. Next, prepare your K Rend LW1 Lightweight render. Mix the render to the desired consistency. Paste K Rend LW1 Lightweight render to linear length of return corners or reveal areas where beads will be positioned. K Rend HP12 base coat can also be used for fixing beads. Apply more K Rend LW1 Lightweight render over the bead web to secure it into place. Remember to check your levels and alignment. Key the surface. Next, position the K Rend bell cast bead just above the damp-proof course. Begin by tacking a 2x1 timber lath just above the damp-proof course line. Check the lath is level before proceeding. Next, using K Rend LW1 Lightweight render, paste the top edge of the timber lath. Follow with bell cast bead set into position, resting on the timber lath as assistance. Apply the bead web with LW1 to secure and anchor the bead as standard procedure. Areas where LW1 was used to adhesively fix beads should be given a surface key using a plastering scratcher. Remember to check your levels and alignment. K Rend green mesh is required around window openings and stress areas where there may be potential movement. 500mm of green mesh should be applied around the perimeter of the window, both to the sides and above the horizontal head. Paste 2mm of K Rend LW1 onto the area. Then position the mesh and secure with K Rend LW1. Additional mesh is required to stress areas at the 4 corners of the window or 2 corners of a door. The mesh should be applied diagonally. After applying the mesh and smoothing with K Rend LW1, key the surface. Apply the first pass of K Rend LW1 to a thickness of 7mm. Trowel the K Rend LW1 firmly into the blockwork and onto the surface of the beading applied. Use a serrated edge to remove any voids of trapped air. Apply the second pass of LW1 flush to the perimeter beading at a depth of 8 to 9 mm, rule to line and level. This can be done immediately depending on the time of year and temperature. As before, use a serrated edge to remove any air pockets on the surface. Close in the screeded LW1 surface using a spatula. Apply the dry dash chippings uniformly using a dashing spoon. Once the area is fully covered, use a hawk and trowel to gently impress loose stones into the K Rend LW1 Lightweight render. The window reveals can be finished using LW1. Apply this using a hawk and trowel with a float finish.